Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vikram and today I'm bringing you something super informative for your placements. If you are preparing for TCS Prime or Digital Interview in 2026, then this video is must watch. I have shortlisted the top 10 most asked in TCS interview questions that can help you almost 80% ready for your interview. So let's get started. Most important TCS question. So this is for the role Prime and Digital, as this year only two roles are there. Starting with DSA. As we know, DSA plays a very important role in our interview. So in DSA, the question which is asked frequently is what is OOP? So OOPS is object oriented programming based on object and class. So basically it has four key pillars called encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. You can also uh, give a short note on each. Next question, explain polymorphism. So the four pillars might be asked separately as well. So the answer for polymorphism could be it's one object, many forms, and then describing its types like compile time, runtime, and the examples could be the same method, different behavior. So you should always try to explain with an example, which gives an better impact on an interviewer. Next is what is encapsulation. So it is basically wrapping data plus method together, achieving achieved using classes, access modifiers, and benefits are data hiding and security. So I have asked many of friends the feedback of their interview. They also told me about they ask comparison on the basis of what is abstraction, what is interface. So you should also understand and had to know the difference between both of them. So these are some concepts you should know about DSA or object oriented programming. So coming to the DSA part, array versus linked list. So array, as we know, array has fixed size, fast access, whereas linked list has dynamic size, easy insertion and deletion. So these are differences. So any kind of this question can be asked, like, or sometimes the code also based on linked list, like to find the cycle in the linked list or array, which could be as we mentioned in our previous video, the quick sort algorithm, or like searching could be binary search algorithm. So such kinds of question are asked in DSA. Next is what is DBMS? As we know, SQL or database management system plays a very important role in our interview. So you should know most of the things about DBMS. So database management system used to store and manage data. Examples are MySQL and Oracle. You might ask the difference between uh, SQL and NoSQL, where you can mention the it's relation based and it's document based. So you should know the difference between such common topics which could be asked in interview. They don't ask too much hard question. They are simple only, but we don't remember it. So during the interviews, so that might affect our interview. So just remember the differences, key features of each uh, database management system. So as we know, SQL is structured. The data is stored in table format, whereas NoSQL is unstructured and is flexible. So an example of NoSQL we can take as MongoDB. So, so next part of your interview could be the question based on your project, which you have mentioned in your resume. So, what is middleware? So, software between front end and back end as middleware handles authentication, request processing. So, I have mentioned some of the key points which you can use to answer this kind of questions, but you should try to always relate it with your project, like how you used middleware, what was the authentication type you have used in middleware. So such kind of answer you have to know about your project, because one thing I want to tell you is the interview goes according to your answer you are giving to a question. So they find some key points in your answer and start questioning on that topic. So always give a uh, question's answer which is known to you. Don't just guess something or speak randomly. that might cause you to stuck in another question. So don't do that. Then next is, what is REST API? So as we know, it's communication between the system, uses HTTP method, and it's stateless. And it methods are get, post, put, delete, as well as patch. So these are some methods. Next is the HR questions. Tell me about yourself, uh, which includes short intro, name, education, skill, project. I have uploaded one short as well on this question, so you should also watch that, which will give you better understanding to how to answer this question. And lastly, why TCS? So good work culture, learning opportunities, and job stability. So this short as well I have uploaded on my channel, so you can refer to it as well. And that's it. If you prepare these 10 questions properly, you are ready ahead of most of candidate. I hope this video help you crack your TCS interview. If you find this useful, don't forget it to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more placement and interview content. This is Vikram. See you in the next video. Thank you.